Yo, what's up? So right now what I need to do on my truck is I need to cut some little it's como una bracket that's attached to a bolt on the steering shaft. So when I turn, it's rubbing against the header. I need to trim that little piece, maybe like a 1/4 inch, and I should be able to clear the header when I turn. So right now, like if I'm turning, como que se tranca poquito where it meets the header, and it feels like you don't have power steering fluid, but it's just that little piece that's hitting. So right here, the little lamina. This piece right there. Cuando doy vuelta, está pegando en la header. So I need to trim that piece, and I should be able to clear the steering after that. Try to use these real quick to cut that piece. Si no se puede, I'm gonna have to put the grinder in there. Es que está incómodo aquí. Hombre, no corta ni madre. Si vuelvo a sacar listo. Hey, you guys Randall from Just Trucking?
Okay, what's up, Daniel?
Hey, it's Romero. Hey, look at this dude.
The boy Daniel.
Hey.
TBN.
You got your photographer over here?
A little bitch over there.
Hey, what's up, man? Hey.
You were missed by your buddies at the Critical Mass. No son pinzas de presión. No está bien pegado.
Yeah, that thing's really tight. Prende la hand, a ver cómo se oye. So what you doing to this truck, Valo?
Installing some lights on it.
On what?
Installing some lights on it.
Okay. Tenemos al camarada Valo trabajando.
Andamos en las cámaras con el compa Ramiro, el camarógrafo, el primo.
Since I can't find my safety glasses, I just put some regular glasses. Let's see if this will work. Se quebró esta madre.
Now it broke.
Pero I think it's better if you take off the wheel.
I tried taking it off. Oh, the wheel? For what?
The wheel, quitas esto y ahí no batallas.
No batallo ahí, güey. Nomás que no se puede cortar. I ain't no tie shop to be taking off wheels, bruh.
It's cool, bro.
Watch out, little boy.
Yeah, that's good.
This guy about to do a burnout right now. Man, look at that damn thing. Faltó tierra. Oye, come back.
See?
Right now, this one broke already.
Tiene alto.
Alright.
That one Honda. Mira, VTEC. Puro VTEC. Let's try this. Hey, there you go.
Finally.
Let me turn it on and see if it works.
A little bit more. Turn the wheel.
Turn it back. Dale. Come back. Be right there. Be right there. A little bit more. Ahí está bien. Ya. Ya, todavía falta otra rajadilla ahí.
We're gonna head out.
Alrighty, man.
Alright, Daniel.
Yeah, be safe.
Oh wait.
Hey, what's up to you at Creekside?
Hey, I'll see you.
Yeah, but I can't go today. Probably una rajadita así. Sí. Let's try it again now.
That's it.
I think it's good now, huh?
Yeah, it's good now.
I didn't see anything here. So that's it. Ahorita I'm gonna take it for a spin. And hopefully ya no pega nada. The boy Romeo recording, appreciate that. Yeah, go follow him on
Instagram.
his Facebook, his MySpace.
No, we have MySpace no more.
What's your Instagram, Diles?
Ramiro HK Trucking.
Underscore HK Trucking or
Yeah.
just HK Trucking?
Just HK
And
Trucking.
Snapchat is, what's your Snapchat?
Ramiro 23.
Ese que eres Jordan este güey.
8 something, I forgot.
Jordan, 23.
Yeah.
Yeah. Follow this guy.
Yeah.
Well, that should be it. You already trimmed the little bracket. The tornillo ya estaba trimmed down a little bit. So now I gotta do a little test ride. Make sure everything's good. How you like that massage with the truck?
Yeah. Even the brains are shaking up.
Ride's good, yeah. Like the steering is better. It's not hitting nothing. Yeah, every time I would turn, como que se amarraba poquito.
Now they stop shaking.
Le voy a dar una vuelta nomás. The guy told me I don't have to break it in, pero como quiera le quiero dar una vuelta on the freeway, try it out. Como ahorita se va sola, I don't got my foot on the gas or anything, and it's still staying in the same speed, almost. Sounds good. Ya le estoy poniendo el brake. It's not me that I'm shaking, it's the truck. I could tell the transmission's not shifting as it should, so I'm gonna have to get that done soon. But I like this exhaust because casi no se oía nada adentro. Unless I punch it. That's a good thing. I wanted something that's kind of quiet inside the cab, que no se escucha afuera, o lo de afuera que no se escucha adentro. For the most part, it's pretty good, man. I like it. Just need to slow down a little bit because I can see cops.